So I'm walking, we just had a rainstorm. I'm walking down here to see what the trees look like that have come down in the road. Because they've got the road blocked off. I tried to come home earlier from getting my daughter from school. And there's one of them. Whoop, whoop. Hey, I need somebody, some flashing lights or something. There's a hill right here. If somebody comes screaming over the hill, they're gonna plow into this. Look at it too. It's like there's a wire running to there. And look at the tension on this. And look, it yanked this pole kind of sideways. And that one's leaning a little bit. I don't know if that was already leaning. Damn. Whoop, whoop. And where'd that come from? That's an awful big limb. Did that come from that little tree? Jeez. Yeah, see, my power's out of the house, and that's probably why. See that line right there? I figured they would have somebody here working on it. I just tagged it and went. Comes up to this pole right here. Let's see. Yeah, you can see the slack on those lines right there because this pole was yanked. Yeah, they've got this road up here blocked completely off. I want to see what fell. There's a big tree kind of dangling up high up here. I'm curious to look at. Yeah, you can see that where that pole right there is leaning. No one even working on this. I got a feeling I'm going to be out of power for a while. That's going to take a while. Hours. That's going to take a while. Damn. Okay. Well, I better make sure my sump pump works. all the wire spacers fell off and the wire slackened up. This is a different tree that fell down. This is in someone's yard.
Looks like the whole tree fell down.
Yep. A lot of it did fall down. Luckily it missed their house. It looks like it did.
That tree was right over there on that stump. It definitely crashed into their house.
Yeah, they certainly got lucky. It missed their house. Look at that. You see that black in the tree like that?
Yeah.
You see that?
Yeah.
And see how the tree's hollow on the inside?
Yeah, what is that black stuff?
It had termites or ants or something. It's disease from like termites or ants.
That tree's been diseased by ants and stuff.
Yeah. Yeah, that tree was, that limb right there was rotten, and that's why it fell.
Well, looks like we're crossing.
Okay, cross the road, but do it carefully. Wow.
A little busier now.
Check out.
It's not really
Check out
nice.
here. Stand right off the road right here for 1 second. I want to film that tree. Well, it sheared it right off of there. See that one? See how it's got black up there on the top too?
Yeah.
And looks kind of hollow. Heidi.
Can we walk down to the tree that you went to see?
That one's too close to the big road. I don't want to take you by the big road.
Please, Dad.
What?
That one's bigger than an apartment.
It's bigger than an apartment. Yeah, that one, if one of these guys came down, there would be some serious trouble because that's way up there. Those trees dwarf those ones that fell.
It might create so much damage, it might damage the garage.
Yep. Yeah, those are little tiny limbs all over the yard. Luckily, this massive thing didn't come down.